Cheerful holiday music plays. Hello, my festive friends. Are you dreaming of a magical Christmas trip but worried about the budget? Fear not, because you absolutely have an incredible Christmas getaway without needing a bank loan. In today's video, I'm sharing some of my top picks for affordable Christmas destinations. Let's dive in. First up, we're whisked away to Prague in the Czech Republic. Prague is pure magic at Christmas with its stunning medieval architecture, charming Christmas markets, and incredibly affordable prices. Picture this. You're strolling through Old Town Square, the scent of roasted chestnuts and cinnamon filling the air as you admire the twinkling lights strung across the cobblestone streets. Prague truly is a fairy tale destination without the fairy tale price tag, making it perfect for a magical and budget-friendly Christmas getaway. Next, we're off to Budapest, Hungary, a city that's absolutely bursting with Christmas cheer. Budapest is a fantastic option for budget travelers, offering a delightful mix of history, culture, and affordability. Imagine this. You've spent the day exploring Buda Castle and the Hungarian Parliament building, and now the evening chill has set in. What better way to warm up than with a visit to one of Budapest's famous thermal baths? Relax and rejuvenate in the healing waters, surrounded by stunning architecture. From the hearty goulash to chimney cakes, the food in Budapest is both delicious and easy on the wallet. Now, darlings, for a destination that's a little bit off the beaten path, let me introduce you to Krakow, Poland. This charming city is often overlooked, but trust me, it's a true gem, especially during the Christmas season. Krakow offers all the magic of Christmas without the hefty price tag, making it perfect for those seeking an authentic and affordable experience. Imagine wandering through Krakow's magical Christmas market in the heart of the old town. You'll find unique handcrafted gifts and traditional Polish treats like pierogi. Oh, they're simply divine. Krakow is a feast for the senses and a true testament to the magic of Christmas. Now, for those of you who prefer a bit of sunshine with your Christmas cheer, let's jet off to Lisbon, Portugal. Lisbon offers a unique blend of festive cheer and mild winter weather, making it an ideal escape from the cold. And the best part? It's one of Europe's most affordable capitals, so you can enjoy all the festive fun without breaking the bank. Pop into a local cafe for a taste of pastel de nata, those delicious Portuguese custard tarts. Oh, they're simply heavenly. And soak up the festive atmosphere. Lisbon offers a unique and affordable Christmas experience, perfect for those seeking a break from the ordinary. Bali for Christmas? I know it might sound a bit unorthodox, but trust me on this one. Bali, Indonesia offers a truly magical and affordable Christmas experience, especially for those who like their holidays with a side of sunshine and sand. Picture this. You're lounging on a white sandy beach, palm trees swaying gently in the breeze, a tropical cocktail in hand. Oh, go on, you're on holiday. Bali offers a unique blend of relaxation, adventure, and festive cheer, all at a fraction of the cost of a traditional Christmas getaway. Next, we're off to Mexico City, a vibrant and exciting destination that truly comes alive during the Christmas season. Mexico City offers an explosion of color, culture, and flavor. And the best part is, it's incredibly affordable, especially if you grab a bargain flight. Imagine strolling through the Zocalo, the city's main square, which transforms into a winter wonderland with a giant Christmas tree, twinkling lights, and an ice skating rink. Mexico City is a feast for the senses and an unforgettable Christmas adventure. Now for something completely different, let's venture to Vietnam, a country renowned for its stunning natural beauty, rich culture, and incredibly affordable prices. Vietnam might not be the first place that springs to mind for a Christmas getaway, but it offers a unique and surprisingly festive experience. Imagine exploring the bustling streets of Hanoi, adorned with twinkling lights and festive decorations, a delightful fusion of Vietnamese and Western Christmas traditions. Vietnam is a destination that will surprise and delight you, especially during the festive season. Now, for those who like their Christmas with a side of Gothic charm and spooky history, let's head to Romania, specifically Transylvania. Yes, you heard that right. Transylvania, the land of Dracula, is also home to charming Christmas markets, snow-capped mountains, and a unique festive atmosphere, all without the frightening price tag. Imagine wandering through the medieval streets of Sighiswara, the birthplace of Vlad Dracula, adorned with twinkling lights and festive decorations. Romania offers a unique and unforgettable Christmas experience, perfect for those seeking something a little different. For those dreaming of a white Christmas, but maybe not the kind of white Christmas, let's head south to Cape Town, South Africa. Cape Town offers a festive escape with sunshine, stunning beaches and incredible affordability, especially if you're traveling from Europe. Cape Town offers a unique and unforgettable Christmas experience, perfect for those seeking a break from the ordinary. And finally, we arrive at our last destination, but certainly not least, Sofia, Bulgaria. Sofia is a hidden gem, especially during the Christmas season. This charming city offers a delightful mix of history, culture, and affordability, making it the perfect destination for a budget-friendly Christmas getaway. Sofia is a city that will steal your heart with its charm, affordability, and festive cheer. So there you have it, 10 incredible destinations where you can make unforgettable Christmas memories without overspending. From the charming streets of Prague to the sunny beaches of Cape Town, there's a destination for every taste and budget. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget, darlings, this video is just a taste of the festive fun we have in store for you. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for more festive fun.